Okay, I've moved it a bit farther away from where the kids are playing. I'm currently running the glow plugs. Wait for that to shut off. There we go. Let's see what happens. Decompression. Okay, the output looked good on both ranges, on the 240 and the 120. It was a bit hard to start. I wanted the decompression to start. Let's shut the key off. Don't want the load to come back on. So next step is to get a load and see if it runs with a load. The smoke did clear not too long after it was running, which is good. I don't know how long this has been sitting for. It could have been sitting for weeks, months, years. I really do not know. So, this, like I said, the smoke did clear, which is good. It sounds okay. Just with the decompression, it's kind of noisy a bit in there. So really, it's not the greatest idea to use the decompression to shut it off, but it can be done. So, I think we're ready to try a load. I'm pretty sure it is actually that control box on the other side that is causing all the issues with the generator. So I might try and find on this side here how to shut it down as well before I continue. I'll use the decompression to start it. Once it's running, I will just use the throttle actually on this side here on the pump to shut it off. So next, load test, and we'll go from there, and I'll see if that part there, that control box, is available. I might also open up that ignition switch and see what's going on there. Maybe it is a replacement ignition switch and something's not hooked up correctly. So we'll look into a few things before determining the next solution with this. But most likely this will be sold as is, as a parts unit, and I will probably double my money on it regardless. So I'll talk to them later. Please keep it redneck like always, and please subscribe and comment.